Oh, beef. Smelling good.
Diet food. Real food, actually. Nothing frozen there. Alright, got a package from Amazon.
Amazon.
Amazon. Because I'm a Prime subscriber. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. It's pretty consistent. I don't know how you can get shit shipped to you the next day and then some things take like 2 months. I can't even see the edge. I don't know where I'm cutting. Well, that was hard. So, because of popular demand and a lot of people come and see me with little dings and shit here and there, I decided to order myself a pretty big kit. This I already have. This one looks a little bit more robust. But it's a Dent Puller. This is one style. I guess they give me a cheap ass microfiber cloth to clean it up. I've got a manual dent puller. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but I'm not sure if that goes on this edge or the other edge, but anyway. It goes on there somehow. So you kind of have it, your little plastic things locked in there, just screws on too. Jesus Christ, everything screws on it. And you kind of just, you knock it. Eventually it's just going to pop out of place, or pop back into place. I think it comes apart to save space, but because I'm going to get myself a big ass fucking toolbox, I think I'm going to put some Loctite on there and keep it permanently stuck together. Because in this kit, I get a hand puller. Your little plastic piece. I'll get to those soon. It goes in there and you can yank on it yourself. I don't know how much pressure you can actually put on that. I got a knockdown tool with different bits, flat, pointy, another flat one. It's just a knockdown tool. I got this little knockdown hammer.
Nice.
I guess you can change these out. Knock a dent back in. These are the pieces I was telling you about that kind of lock in there. I'll give you an example.
Different sizes or all the same size?
Oh, a whole bunch of different sizes. This, you kind of, the special glue, you put in the dent and you lock this into place. And you can pull it out.
You can put probably many of them on the dent and like work it.
Away, yeah. I might order some more of these. There's some that are aluminum, which will probably be a little bit better. I got this. This is cool. This tool I already had. I ordered it a long time ago. I used it a few times. It's pretty good. This to me feels like a more precise tool. Like, you know, you have it on the dent and you can pull it.
Oh.
And it sits, there's a bigger surface
You pull it
here.
very
And you can tighten it in.
perpendicular to the dent.
So that's pretty cool.
Neat.
I got some more here. Some bigger ones. I got another knockdown hammer. Total fail. At least it didn't fall down like a drain or something. Another little knockdown hammer. You go around the dent, bring it down, or you can flatten it out. I mean, you got to work the metal both ways. You can't just pull a dent out and think you're done, because it's not the way it works. I got this. I don't know what you'd put in here. Probably some type of alcohol release agency. I'd probably put some Goo Gone in here, because you're working with glue. I don't know. Got a little flat blade elastic to take the glue off. We got the big ass hot glue gun with long ass glue sticks to do the job. Tight. I got a few of those. I think the black ones are stronger than these ones, but I'm not sure. And instructions. The instructions, which is pretty cool. I don't know if it tells you. Yeah, it kind of gives you some pointers and stuff what to do. And it's not only made for cars. I mean, you can pull dents on fridges, motorbikes. A dent's a dent. Anything tin, yeah, or metal, you can, you know, you can pull it out. See, I didn't get, this is the only other thing I didn't get was kind of like a little light or something, a reflection panel. But outside in the sun, you can kind of see it pretty close. If not, I can just order that part down the road. This is
can't you print on rigid paper?
Yeah, I can
lines?
print the paper and just stick it on cardboard.
No, but you don't you? I think you have to print lines on it
so you can see
if it waves.
Yeah.
The right way.
So there's my $150 kit. Oh, they take this off so it fits in the box. Oh my god. Who needs Loctite?
When you got fall.
Oh god, it came out of there. It's like a double. And this is plastic, it's not even metal. Really?
He likes oranges.
He's hungry. So the adapter pieces, glue, hot gun glue, hit down hammer, bottle, a scraper, a puller tool. I don't know what this one's, I don't know. I got a car to do tomorrow, so I'm going to try them all out. Other puller stuff, I got my other one upstairs. Another little knockdown hammer that uses this adapter to knock down the tin that lifts. With the puller, I got a hand puller. A really cheap microfiber towel. And I got this doohickey. I'm pretty sure this is gonna do pretty good, actually. And it's a dual purpose. You can, I suppose you could probably grab and pull like this. Probably not as comfortable as the other one, but.
But this one gives you a good knock. It's like a hammer, but without the hammer.
It is a hammer.
Inverse hammer.
It's hard to tell how it feels in your hand because it's like not on a fixed surface. But I'm pretty sure this is going to work pretty damn well. It's pretty heavy too. Alright guys, I got 2 more packages here to go pick up. But no clue what they are, but I guess you'll see with me. Alright, I'm out of here. Gotta eat my lunch before it gets cold.
Mhm.